Alright everybody, this is a pair that I got from Mike from Rocky Ridge. Two purebred Trentons. The hen's the brown one. Cockbird's back there. Got these two babies. One's gonna be a nice red, and another one's a dark one. These are a late round. The first birds I bred off these, but since I was quarantining them and everything, I figured I'd stick them in a separate cage here. And they didn't mess around and went on eggs. So trying to decide what I'm going to do with these. They're banded. So I'll either send them somewhere or keep them. So if anybody's interested, let me know.